guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. This video is long overdue. I was going to do a review after a month. It's been 4 months, but I'm ready to get into it. We can talk about the claims. Are they really true? We can talk about the product. We can talk about the customer service. I did have to reach out, and I have like one before and after, because I've not really been, this has now been included in my weekly skincare routine. So I wasn't really up on taking before and after pics unless it was very obvious, and I have one for you guys. So if you guys are ready to get into this high frequency wand review, keep on watching. This is the Luvia Beauty 2.0 high frequency wand. It is for skincare. They say the estheticians use it. I don't know about that. I don't. But I've been using it. Do I like it? Yes. I like the way it feels. Do I think it works? I do think it works. However, the ads saying that it's going to zap away pimples overnight are kind of true. And I'll tell you why. So I got the argan and neon fusion heads. So it's supposed to be, this is the ultimate. So I have all the attachments. I know there are three options to choose from. When I got it, it was on sale for $108, and now it's on sale again for like $120. I don't know what it is. My friend said she got one years ago, I think 2019, for like $30. So there's that. But here's what it comes with. It comes with the base. This is not like a full unboxing. You guys can, I know it looks inappropriate, guys. Please. Jesus is watching. The attachments are here. There's a comb attachment. There's a spot treatment attachment. There's one like a tongue or leaf attachment. I don't know what it's called that. There's one for the body. There's like a mushroom head attachment for all over face. The issue I had with mine was that after like a few weeks, I would say, my spot treatment attachment stopped working. Like, it just would not pick up. There was no high frequency. There was nothing happening in the attachment head. I did reach out, and they were very good about getting back to me. They actually sent pictures and videos of what the actual issue was, and they advised me they're going to send me a new attachment. They sent me an entire set of attachments. I was not expecting that. It came pretty quick. Relatively speaking, like, it was a little wait, but I still had, you know, the other attachment heads to use, even though I was really using this one because I was getting stupid breakouts. I was getting, like, they were so bad. They were scarring all over my face. It was horrible for me. They were one-offs, but it was so bad. It was so bad. So I really wanted this spot treatment head. So while I did get a whole new set, it was not what I had ordered. I just was not gonna fight back and let them know, like, hey, this is the wrong one, because again, I have the argan neon infusion. They sent me, I think, just the neon, which is fine. I think neon is supposed to target acne anyway, so I wasn't gonna complain with the whole new set of attachments. So shout out to the customer service. They are really good. I know they wanted to see what the issue is to maybe like troubleshoot it, but there was no troubleshooting. They said, look, girl, we got you, we sent a new one. Now, as far as the use for attachments, I spoke about the spot treatment attachment. Another really useful attachment is this one, the mushroom head. It's just like if you want to do all over face and really get in there, this is really good. I will say for this one, you kind of have to crank it up to really get the most out of it, I feel like. Also, I think to see results, you have to turn up as high as you can tolerate. Otherwise, I don't think it really works too well. So when I did have a really bad breakout, and I like just stupid big pimple, like came out of nowhere, literally at the surface. I didn't want to pop it. I wasn't trying to. Here's what it looked like when I started using the device. Again, I was trying to get those results that I saw online, that, oh, after one use, like I woke up in the morning and it was gone. Kind of. So here's what it looked like the next morning. Not too bad. It went down. Problem is, I guess they're saying it's supposed to activate collagen and help with acne scars, and I still scarred every single time. I did. I think I scarred every single time. Now, I will say, I do believe the scars faded way faster. I would literally go over my scars with the device, and I think it was fading way faster than normal. And of course, I'm using it with my regular skincare. So that, I think, is true. Overnight success, overnight removal of pimples, I don't know. Sometimes for me, I think it would take like a couple days. You can use this every day. I know someone in the comments of one video said to set a time for 5 minutes every day. And I think that's a good solution. That's a good treatment. It does feel, your skin feels really good after. Like, I am happy with where my skin is. I'm happy how my skin feels. I have on some concealer now to cover up some of those spots. I had another video, but I just have concealer. It's not all over face. And you guys have seen, check out my last skincare video. Check out the collagen mask video. You'll see what my skin looks like for real. And it aside from the acne scars, my skin is doing really, really well. And I would like to think that this device has something to do with it. For the price, I think it's worth it. If you can find it cheaper, get it cheaper. I'm going to keep using it. It's only been about 4 months. But I like it, and I still use it like when I see pimples. Again, if I feel like to really see results, you have to crank it up. So I don't think it's a gimmick. I think some pimples, depending on where they are, can be gone overnight. There might be a mark, there might be redness, so don't think that it's going to completely vanish, but you will not have that pimple. Overall, with this device and the brand, because we need to talk about overall, I'm pretty happy with the Luvia high frequency skincare device. Things that I did not do, I know some people recommend a water-based serum and using it. I never did that. I didn't like using the gauze over it either. So that was just me, but I still think my skin has been doing really, really well, and I do enjoy incorporating this into my everyday skincare routine. Now I'm kind of like every other day because my skin is just doing way better. I did completely use it on, like, I had a pimple here, and it took like a week for it to really go down. I think after a couple of days it went down, but like after a week it was completely gone, and I didn't do anything, no spot treatments, no extra anything. I just used this device on it because I was a little, it's right by my eye, so it's like I was a little scared on the bridge of my nose. So I wasn't really taking any chances. It left a little scar, and I'm still working on that, but nothing compared to what it would have been like if I picked it. Even like a drying lotion for me will leave a scar, so there's that. But I do think this is a good device. If you can get it on sale, get it on sale. I'm not saying I saw it on Alibaba, but I did. However, if you do decide to order one from Luvia, the customer service is there, because I was not expecting an entire new set of attachments. So this is going to last me for sure a really, really long time, and I quite enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video, like the video. Does anyone have a high frequency device like this? Do you guys like it? Are you an esthetician? If you are, what are some tips do you think would help? Drop it in the comments down below, because you know I'm just an enthusiast. I don't know. So if there are any tips to using this, let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and try it. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I know it's been a while. 1 month to 4 is crazy, but you know, life be lifing. I have lots of content coming out for you guys. Make sure you check it out, have those notifications on, and like the video. Engage with me so I keep popping up on your feed. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.